What up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo coming to you today. Here's my cool blanket my beautiful wife got me. This is a special unboxing. This is my birthday gift. I've already opened it, but the gift was so cool that I told my wife I'm going to do a YouTube unboxing for you guys. Now, look at that. Ooh. Can already tell what that is, right? People are like, oh, I know what that is. It's a jersey. But this jersey isn't like all your other jerseys out there. Here's why. Look at that. Gray and black, and it says Juggalo. Yee. Now, here's something better. Right up front. Look at that. Black, gray, Yakima Juggalo. You can't beat that. My wife came through on a really cool gift. Now that right there, custom Juggalo merch. That's the shit, right? That's the shit. Now, this right here, as you can tell, look, it's beaded. It's beaded. It's a beaded medallion. Look at that. You're gonna love this when you get to it, though. Look at that. Yakima Juggalo beaded medallion with my favorite colors. You can't beat that, folks. My wife came through on a very bomb-ass gift. Let me know what y'all think. Did my wife come through or what? Yee, whoop whoop. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Until next time.